Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. How would you feel if all through the night the flowers flare, scent flowing and catching the wind? The lamp now climbs the stair, shines from above, is dimmed. It's dawn, the petals slightly worn, close up again, each bud to brood in its soft secret urn on some yet nameless good. According to the poetry recited above, it's clear from the name Raat Ki Rani or night blooming jasmine flowers, which are prized for their ethereal scent, blossoms at night and close during the day. Yes, today I'll talk about Raat Ki Rani, which is also known as Hasnuhana, Queen of the Night, the Lady of the Night, Night Blooming Jasmine, Night Blooming Sistrum, etc. Which name do you call this flower by? Please let us know. Actually, this plant's blooming time is August to October. But this time is the best time to prune the roots or stems or to repot your plant. And yes, you can easily grow this from the cutting, and if you wish to, you can grow it this time as well. You see the small pot where this plant has been planted? Yes, this plant had been planted last year from cuttings. This year, we will repot this plant to a new bigger pot. You just saw how my mom separated the lower part of the root with soil. Now, my mom will repot this plant with simply 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost. Before also, I have told you all that while repotting, avoid any kind of extra fertilizer. But yes, today I will tell you a very good fertilizer for any kind of your flowering plants. Oh, while talking, I did not notice that my mom started repotting another pot. Did you see the root bound? If you all have not watched the video on how you can fix your plants from root bound, you all can watch that video. In the same way, my mom prepared the soil for this plant with 50% kitchen waste compost and 50% garden soil. And my mom changed the old soil with new soil as much as possible. Okay, after the repotting time, make sure to water this plant and keep it in shade for 4 to 5 days. Oh, didn't I tell you that I'll tell you a fertilizer which is the best for any kind of flowering plant? Let me now tell you that fertilizer. For this, you need 50% banana peel powder and 50% mustard seed powder. First of all, you need to keep it in your home for 7 to 10 days. After 7 to 10 days, take this out and then stir it very well. Then mix with rice water or plain water. Oh, and remember, make sure to dilute this liquid with 5 to 10 times of water. Now your fertilizer is ready. Oh, can you recognize this plant? This is the Rajnigandha plant, and the next video will be about this plant only. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.